Ok. Grabando. Alright, so hello, how are you guys? This is our first video. I have Jaime here with me today. He is a circus artist as well. He is training with me and he decided to give me a hand with this video, so he's going to be my DMP today. And I hope you like it, you have fun. The cool down is not included. I have something on my head, like usually. I hope you guys have fun, and the cool down is not included, as I mentioned. We're going to do another video the next time. This is just for you to remember today and have fun during your actual training. Alright, so we're going to start warming up the waist, our shoulders. You know how to do this, we've done it a million times. Alright, so swing your arms all the way up to the sky. We can try coughing so that we suck our ribcage in. There we go. So now we're going to turn to the right side, and from there, grab one hand with the opposite. One wrist with the opposite hand, and just stretch. Come back to the center, and let's go to the other side. Right. So we're coming back into our bundle. We're starting on bundle. We can start with our knees on the ground, hands underneath the shoulders. Yeah, so we're going to start shifting our weight to the hands and coming back. Just a little bit. From there, curl your toes in and lift your tailbone up into down dog. Great. If this is your first down dog of the day, you can try swinging side to side. Maybe then give a nice stretch to your spine, rocking your hips side to side. Good. Alright, so we're going to go for 5 yogic push-ups. You know these ones. Just slide your chest in between your hands, roll your triceps back. Leg line of your elbows is pointing towards the front edge of the mat. Come back into a push-up. Down dog. Another push-up. That's 2, 3, one last time. And come back into down dog. Alright. So keep swinging side to side, in. Great. So we're going to go in between the hands. And we're going to jump into Malasana. Landing with your feet, hip width apart. You can use your hands to extend. You can use your elbows to open your shoulders, or extend your hands in front of you. And from here we're going to go into Navasana. Back to Malasana, just shift your weight. Okay, so try to keep your ankles down on the ground and shift your weight towards your toes. That's it. Tuck your tailbone out and come back into Malasana. Good. Think about creating a small back bend on your back. That's the idea. You're now actually back down here. And come back into Malasana. Right, let's do it constantly. Okay, so we're going to warm up the back of our ankles here. Shift your weight to the front of the mat and back. Right, so now that we've got the movement, we're going to tighten up those. Okay, yes. Alright, so first one. 2, then drop the lower into Malasana. Okay, two more. One chair. Namaste. Alright, so from Malasana, just stay here, use your elbows, instead of close and for calculations, but everyone will need. Use your elbows to open your knees. Extend your spine here. Alright, so I'll put my chin notebook. So we have, the next one is chair to Malasana, you know, the balancing one. Just hold up. Okay, Malasana, right. So I'm going to show it first, then we'll go from it. And so for Malasana, you're coming up. Hands at the height of your feet, or a little bit behind. Let us then hold. Stand up. Okay, so let's go. At least 4 or 5 of those. Okay? So Malasana, stand up. The last one, hold. Stand up. Three. Coming into Malasana, knees up your chest, close your eyes. Right, let's move into our Malasana again. We are going to come into child's pose, we're going to come sideways. So from child's pose, what we're going to do is like small modified push-up. So all the way with the forehead to the ground. And then we're going to push ourselves up and take our knees into the chest. Come down. That's 1, 2. Think about shifting your shoulders in front, like kind of going in front of your hands. That's great. And think about rounding on your upper back. And we're going to come down, and you can face up. And then go for some flexion. Like walking. Right? So, hands loose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. And last one. Hold your knees into your chest and release. Great. So if you have tired wrists, you can just stretch them side to side. Right, so for the next one, if you have weak wrists, you can use your feet, or you can use bare hand. I'm gonna try going for the full version. So you're gonna come up into standing. Maybe switch your wrists a little bit more. Okay, good. So the idea here is that you're gonna shift your hips on top of your shoulders, and you're gonna press with your knees and your tricep. I've got this one person here. Right, so I'm gonna show you first. So you're shifting and take one knee to your tricep and back, and then on the opposite side. Alright, so we're gonna have at least 5 on each side. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Okay. So just one step in front of you with your hands, right knee to your right bicep, hold, come back. 2, 3, 3, try to shift your shoulders as much as you can in front of your hands. It's 5. So let's change sides. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and come back. That's good. Let's stretch your ribs. Stretch your hands if you need. We're gonna keep working on our planks. Right, so we're gonna come into plank. And you know this one. We're gonna come from plank with one knee to one tricep, then opposite tricep, opposite wrist, and our first wrist. Alright? Good. So hands underneath your shoulders. Your shoulders try to go as much as you can in front of your fingers. And if you cannot use your whole hand, you can use your right hand too. Try to roll your bicep out. Great. Round between your shoulders. Drop your bum a little bit. Como dice, te empieza a empujar. Okay. Great. Done. You're gonna push from this side. So this is a scalp nerve strength. You're gonna have all your strength here. This is your push. Good. Strong core. Good. So from there, right knee, right tricep, right waist, left waist, left tricep, right knee square. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's change sides. Right knee, left knee, left tricep, waist. Right. Last one. Hold your hand down. This one is hard on the tricep, on the waist. So you can place your hands under your knees. And start to stretch your forearms here. We have one last one. And it's from plank to side plank. With a push-up, then with some stability Pilates work. And then repeat, reset. Right? Okay, so coming into plank. Great, go for a push-up, side plank. Lower your side plank. Come all the way up. Plank. Push-up, side plank. Lower the hips. All the way up. Plank. Push-up, side plank. Lower your hips, use your legs to go up. Plank. Push down. Side plank. Push down. One last time on each side. Into focus. Great, coming into plank. Lower your knees, extend your hands in front of you. Good. So now we're going to plank on the right side. Try to sit inside your mat because you're going to need it. Bend your right knee. Your left leg is going to come up to the side. Keeping your hips stuck on top of each other, yeah. But you can also use your hand to support your knee, your head if you need. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 9, 10. Great, so this is the third one. You're going to shift your left leg in front of you at 90 if you can, and you're going to make small circles. heels up. Try to keep your hips right on top of each other. I'm not coming back, not coming to the front. Yes. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the right knee. Small circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good tempo, let's change sides. Right, and come back into side back, use your hands, use your legs, coming into motion, side bend, and let's start over. So again, we're going to change sides. So let's keep coming. We need to figure out the things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Reverse side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, use your hands, use your obliques, side plank, push up. Let's change sides. So, you don't need to change sides, you're just waiting because we don't sit on this. That's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's 1, and to the front. Over 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Right. So use your hands coming side plank. Great, so we're gonna just jump to the front, the middle of the mat actually. Sit wide legged, sit. Okay. So you know these ones I know Chris loves this one. Hands to one side. Extend your spine as much as you can, that's it. Point your toes. Okay. Connect your perineum and your lower abdominal muscles and use your psoas to pull from your quads. And we're going to go for 10 small circles on the right. Nine, 10. Reverse motion. Thank you for yours. And let's go on the other side. So 10 on each leg.
Sin trauma.
Cover it. Try to keep your spine as straight as you can.
Siga así.
And it's reverse motion. Alright, so that gives us an amazing strength in our quads and control. We're going to see that works. So hands in front of you. And let's try to lift the arms up and pull down. So let's do one of shoulders.
Mira que
Maybe not happening. Maybe the next time. Yeah. this is not enough for any stretch, but next video will be better. Coming back to the center, extend your hands in front of me. Unwrap your legs. So put the sides of the hands together and try to take them in front of your chest and close your knees in. That's good. Perfect. So, and release. Great. Come with my hand.
Прямо в кучу.